everyone! Welcome back to our channel, Xandrus TV. So it's day 4 that we are actually feeding him outside of his breast milk. And we're now moving from freshly squeezed oranges to chicken soup. Yep, because for 3 days we are supposed to feed him clear soup, and one recommended recipe is Tinola, which is actually just chicken soup in English. So I again prepared about 40 ml here because I know he's gonna spill some of it. It's clear soup, honey. It's chicken soup. How'd you find it? Hey, baby. No? Nothing? You like it, huh? He doesn't like it. That's the rattle. We're out.